Hey Diana, these cannot be letters. Number 3 and a bug. Give them to me. First letter J represents the sound J, like in the English words garage. This is J. And bug, interesting, because the word for bug in Russian also starts with this letter, zhuk, as well as the word for stomach, живот. I got it. I've seen it before. In public bathrooms. That's exactly right, because the word for woman in Russian starts with zhe, женщина. And number 3? No, not number 3, letter Z. It represents the same sound as letter Z does in English. We use it in words like зеркало, зуб, and зонт. Yes. Is it hard to write them?
To print J, start with the English X and draw a vertical line right in the middle. A common mistake is to turn J into a snowflake by adding a horizontal line. Please do not do that. J does not have a horizontal line. This is how you write J in cursive, both upper and lower case, and how you connect J to other letters in words. You can see that it's not hard to do. And when it comes to Z, both printed and cursive capital Z look alike, and the lowercase z actually looks like the English cursive Z. And this is how you connect Z to other letters.
Okay, J and Z today. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow, the next 2 letters. See you then!